Make sure you wipe off the glue on the inside too. You don't have to be too precise, but you don't want to get as much of the excess glue off as you can. And now we'll repeat the process to put the top on, but of course, don't glue it because you need to take that off. Alright, now we have the top screwed on. I like to mark it so you can line it up easy when you put it back on. Now your top is ready to be removed, and we'll put the foam core in there. So now we're going to cut the foam for the padding. Measure the inside of your crate, 14 by 17. Cut it a little bit smaller to make sure it fits. So try to be too tight with it, or it's not going to fit properly. So I'll go 13 3/4 here. Make sure your ruler doesn't slide. You need these nice thick metal rulers work really well for this. You need a heavy duty metal ruler to cut your foam core. Slice it through. You don't have to go too far. These bigger pieces here. You just crack it right off. Now we'll measure the other dimension. Just a quarter inch less than 17, 16 3/4. Right off, should be a nice fit. Here I've cut that remaining piece that was too short in half, essentially, or close to half. I'll show you how you can save. You don't have to have a full sheet. You put a little bit of space in there. See how it slides? Cut out some pieces that can fit in there. Some thinner pieces, and then you can fit the bottom there, and that's fine. This will work fine for you. When you're working with larger crates, you're going to have to do stuff like this all the time because you're not going to have big enough pieces of foam to do it. Even if there's a little bit of space remaining, sometimes that can work too. I like to fill in everything where I can, though. Now I'm going to cut some thinner pieces to put on along the sides of the painting to make sure it doesn't move in there. It's 2.5 inches thick, so just around 2.5. Don't want it to be bigger because you got a 1.5, 2.5, another 1.5 that fills in the 5.5 length there. A little less than 2.5 there. It's about 2 3/8 should be fine. When cutting the thinner pieces, you do have to cut deeper because it's harder to break off. You don't have the space. Using my sawing motion. Follow the groove. Woo. That one's ready. That should be good. And that's how you cut thinner pieces. And that'll work as a wall here. I'll try to cut it in half there. That should be funny. There you go. I did want to show you something you'll need if you use one of these paring knives. You need a knife sharpener because the fiberglass dulls blades very quickly. So make sure you have a knife sharpener for that. There we go, nice and sharp. All right, now we'll put the painting in to the crate. I've put some packing tape over the seams of the parts of the foam to make sure it doesn't come out and maybe get into the painting. Vacuum out all the sawdust and particles there. Make sure it's nice and clean. I like to put the painting face down. Now let's see how these fit. I got my little foam walls. Looks like it's a little tight. Should have made the crate a little bigger. So what I'll have to do is I'll make some smaller, slightly thinner foam walls there. Now it's time to dip into my scrap pile of packing material. All right, so from my scrap pile, I found some 1/2 inch foam and some 3/16 inch foam, and that's what I need to put it in there to fit it nice. Tape the pieces together. Tape. That'll work. goes in, and that is ready to pack. Alright, the top is on. This box is done, nice. Should be no movement, should be able to shake it. Should be able to toss this thing down the stairs, should be fine. Don't do that though. And look what I found. Got a handle in my garage here. So here's the handles you can put on there, they're collapsible. Larger crates I put 2 handles on, like around midway or so. This one I'll just put right on top, like a briefcase. Sure it's centered here. Pretty close. Ready to go.